46, 58.
We are cold calling today and nobody's picking up. Let's try one more time. She's not gonna pick up, is she?
Bonjour, vous êtes sur la messagerie du 06.
And I'm not leaving a voicemail because she's not gonna call back. Alright, disposition, no answer. Log. Second call, let's see if we're gonna get any luck. I've been calling this particular lady for about a month now. Let's see.
06 99 79 40.
There's people in France. People in France, they do not pick up. If this was a German prospect, they would pick up and they'd be very direct. Why are you calling me? But I've not had a lot of luck with the French prospects recently. I don't know why. So no answer. I'm not gonna call her again because I mean I've been calling her for ages. I think maybe she's blocked my number. I don't know. We'll just let that one go. I'm gonna do a third person and save you guys the stress of listening to me calling people. But if you guys are interested, like if you're seriously interested in like how to get into tech sales, I will do a dedicated video in a few weeks. Just let me know, like actual tips, like what jobs to apply for, how to find the roles online, what types of companies to consider, and things like that. I will be happy to do a video for you guys. So right now I'm prospecting, which means I'm calling people. I'm finding the phone numbers that I need to call to speak to people who have requested a demo or I think would be really good fit, would be a really good fit for the platform. And then all I have to do is find their number. We have tools that help you find people's phone numbers legally and give them a call. So right now I'm trying to find this one person's phone number. Looks like he's in France, so I'm not having very good luck with the French today. So let's hope that we get something great. I found his phone number, so I'm gonna give him a call right now.
Your call could not.
No, that's the wrong number. Try this one.
Your call could not be completed.
That is the wrong number. Okay, let's find another number. Sometimes when you know the country codes of France, it's +33. Sometimes you have to guess like what the number is based on what you're given. Let's try. Okay, it's the right number. Is it gonna ring?
Your call could not be completed as dialed.
No.
Please check the number and try again.
Okay, we're gonna keep going until we find this guy's correct phone number. Sorry guys, this is so anticlimactic for you guys. Okay, so with this last guy, because I can't find a phone number for him, I mean tips here: connect on LinkedIn, send emails. LinkedIn is really good because then once they accept, then you can send them voice notes. That's like my preferred means of communication. The DMs is voice notes because these people typically don't get voice notes. That is one tip I'd give for you, especially if you're enterprise or strategic. Send voice notes on LinkedIn. Should I tell you what my current dilemma is? To get my nails done before I go on this trip this week. Today's Monday, I'm traveling on Thursday night. I will spend about £50 for a fresh set French tips. £50. And I'm just thinking, like, should I not spend that money and just when I go back home do my nails? The issue is it's very expensive in the UK to do your nails. In Nigeria it's cheaper obviously, but those nail techs will sleep on your nails. They will spend 6 hours doing a very basic set, and I'm not even one of those people that get designs and crystals and gems and things like that. So I don't even know how or like really long lengths. So I'm just thinking, like, should I cancel my nail appointments and just do it back home? The benefit of doing that also is that I'll have more money to spend this week. So budgeting wise, I have budgeted less money for December spend because I'm going to Nigeria and I just will not need as much money as I would if I was here. So the money I have is like, should I use the money for nails instead and just like have fun this week? Because I'm going to dinner tonight with Aliyah and Mama. Tomorrow Tuesday, so my colleagues and I are doing a like end of year like farewell thing. It's not a company thing, it's just my team, and so that's going to cost money, and these are two things I haven't actually budgeted for. I think I'm actually going to cancel my nail appointments right now. I'll just firm it because yeah, it will take longer, but I will be spending about £15 instead of £50 to do my nails. We're just going to cancel this appointment right now. The last time I did my nails here, I don't even know, it was a few months ago. But yeah, let's cancel. Let's use the budget for something else. One of the best things I have done done in terms of budgeting since I started working a few years ago now was just being very strict on the money. So yes, there'll be money in like your sinking fund or your main account, but just because that doesn't mean you need to spend it. So when you budget things for the month, if you haven't used up particular funds, you can like move money around like your mini pots, as opposed to blowing through everything and blowing through your savings. Yes, even psychologically, you know there's money somewhere chilling. You have to be really strict with yourself about how you're spending the money within the allocated budget. Cool, we have cancelled that appointment. It is 1:40. I'm intermittent fasting. Let me see how long I have. I will be fasting about 12 hours, which is like the bare minimum I like to fast. I like to fast for 16, but today like I started fasting late, so it's already afternoon. I think I might make a matcha, like a blueberry matcha latte, and have that to break my fast. For lunch, I don't know what I'm gonna have. Let's see what time this meeting ends. 2:33. Yeah, we'll figure something out.